السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. أو تسمع لهم ركزا. صدق الله العلي العظيم. Today's conversation is about the physics of sound. The Holy Quran informed us about the modern physics, especially about the physics of sound in several verses of the Holy Quran. The unit of sound is decibel, and this unit is named according to the name of scientist Alexander Graham Bell. The decibel unit measures the intensity of the sound or the sound intensity. The Holy Quran described the 5 sound levels in ascending order. That means lower level to higher level. Sound level 1, slightest whisper. Surah Maryam, ayat number 98, Allah has said, أَوْ تَسْمَعُ لَهُمْ رِكْزًا, or you will hear the slightest whisper, and it is below 20 decibel. Sound level 2, the sound level of murmur. The Quran says, فَلَا تَسْمَعُوا إِلَّا هَمْسًا. This is the Surah Taha, verse number 108. Allah has said, فَلَا تَسْمَعُوا إِلَّا هَمْسًا. You will not hear except the sound of murmur. The word hamsa means the sound of murmur. Level 3, sound level 3, secret conversation. Surah Hud, ayat number 62. Sound level 3, secret conversation. Surah Taha, ayat number 62. Allah has said, وَأَسَرُّوا النَّجْوَى. They comfort secretly. This is the secret conversation, and the word najwa means the secret conversation. Sound level 4, gigantic scheme. Surah Hud, ayat number 67. Allah has said, وَأَخَذَ الَّذِينَ ظَلَمُوا الصَّيْحَةَ. And the scheme struck the people who transgressed, who crossed all the boundaries defined by the Almighty Allah. The word as-sayha means the gigantic scheme. Sound level 5, deafening noise or blast. Surah Abasa, ayat number 33. Allah has said, فَإِذَا جَاءَتِ الصَّاخَّةُ. The word صَاخَّة means the deafening blast or deafening noise. So these are the 5 sound levels that has been described by the Holy Quran in several verses of the Holy Quran. So the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam and his companions Sahabi radiyallahu anhum haven't though enough information or knowledge about the modern physics, because the physics or modern science has not established at that time 1400 years ago. Yet the Holy Quran informs us about the basic concept of modern science, especially about the basic concept of physics. So it proved that the Holy Quran is the divine book. It is not the statement of any human being. It is the statement or speech of the Almighty Allah that was revealed on the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam through the most important angel Jibril Amin alayhi salatu wasalam.